Log on complete.
Hey, what it do, what's going on, guys? Big Country here, and today I'm going to bring you a little tutorial. See, I ran into this problem a while back when I first bought Call of Duty World at War, and the only reason I wanted to buy Call of Duty World at War was to play some custom zombies. So this is going to be a kind of a double tutorial. One is how to get World at War to play in windowed mode instead of full screen, because it automatically launches in full screen. Shut up, dude. Automatically launches in full screen, and you can't do anything about it in the settings. It doesn't let you change it. So I'm going to show you that I can play in windowed mode, and by starting it. And you might wonder, because I don't have a beast computer. I got a Sony Vaio regular laptop. It's a good computer, but it's not a gaming computer. So in order for me to play World at War, I got to play in a 640 by 480 dimension window. And I'm going to show you how I did that. So this is just to show you that I can run it in window. So I'm going to close this. I'm going to minimize Steam. And what you want to do is you want to click Run. And if you're familiar with Minecraft, you already know this. Go to the %@data% and click Enter. And when you get into here, go back into app data. You don't want to be in the roaming folder. You want to be in the local. Go to Activision, go to COD, WAW, go to Players, go to Profiles, go to your name, and then here's where your configuration files are. Config for your both story player and your multiplayer. So what you want to do is you want to open up your config file. Either one of them. You want to do this in both of them. Hit Control F for find and type in full screen. And then click Find Next and then close it. See right here, it says R_full screen. And at the end of that, you got parentheses, 0, close parentheses. Now by default, that is a 1. 1 makes it full screen, 0 makes it not. Now that is how you stop it from going into full screen. But how do you change your dimensions? Click Control Find again. Click Theta space R_mode. Click Find Next and close that out. Theta space R_mode, and in parentheses you got the dimensions. 640 by 480 is where mine is. Change that to whatever you like. A lot of computers can handle 1280 by 720. I lag still a little bit, so I go with 640 by 480. I tried to go 640 by 360, but I guess you just can't do that. So 640 by 480 is how I do that. So do that in both of your configuration files, single player and multiplayer files. When you hit X to close it, you want to make sure you hit yes to save it. So that is how you play World at War in windowed mode. Now, how do you load up custom maps? Same process. Go to your %@data folder. Click Add Data. Go back to local. Click Activision, World at War. Go to Mods. Right now I only have one mod map in here. The way you do it, let's see. Let me just show you this. Let me go to my downloads folder. Nazi zombies. We got plenty of them in here. See all these zip files are Nazi zombies folders. All you do is open up one of your zip files with WinRAR or whatever it is. Close it and drag and drop this file into your mods folder of your World at War game files. And as simple as that. And a lot of these custom zombie maps, or most of them, they're really easy. Let me go ahead and launch this. They're really easy to set up when you want to invite people to play with you. But it's a little more difficult to play them in single player. Not all of them give you a solo option. So what I'm going to show you now is how to actually launch the modded map, and play it solo. And I'm going to show you both ways, server and doing solo. So it starts up. We'll go ahead and click it. First thing you're going to do is you want to load the map. What's going on? Cannot connect to online servers. Well, why not? All right. Well, click Mods. Click on the map you want to load, and then click Launch. Pretty simple so far. Pretty simple stuff. Took me a little bit to figure this out, but just Google is a man's best friend, that's for sure, or a woman, depending on your gender. All right, load up, damn it. There we go. Now it is up. The map is loaded, but you can't really tell that it's loaded, right? So if you click solo, it's going to go into mission select. So if you click multiplayer, no, I'm sorry. Click co-op. You want to host online. See, here is your map, right? You want to go to game setup, game Nazi zombies, click the map, and click OK. That's how you set up your lobby. See, Nazi zombies are on. That's how you do a public match if you want to invite somebody into your server. Or if you want to try to join a public server, if there is any out there. So what you want to do in order to play solo is first you want to go under options and controls, go under game options, and make sure enable console is checked to yes. Click back again, and on your keyboard, I'm going to have a diagram on the keyboard. You want to click this key right here. It is the tick key right next to the number 1 key at the top left of your keyboard. Under the escape key to the left of the number 1 key, click that, and that little menu bar is going to come up. You want to type in dev map and then the name of the zombie map, the actual file. Now, you know, some of these maps come in and the name's, I don't know, Dollhouse or something, but the file itself is named something different, so you need to make sure you know the exact name of the mod folder that you're putting in. In this case, it's Nazi Zombie Stone _hinge. Just like that, and hit enter. And voila, you are now playing this World at War custom zombie map on solo. Now, not every single map, I don't think you can do every single map solo, but for the most part, it works on, I don't know, 80% of the maps that I've done. As long as you make sure you got the correct spelling of that map, you should be good. And you see right here, this is the Stonehenge map that I have been playing on. So there you go. That's it for today, guys. Hope it helped you. And if you have any questions, please leave it down in the comments and I will get back to you. Thanks for watching, guys. Country out.